Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As usual, it's your boy Thomas the Builder, and we are going to continue from where we left off, right? So now we are going to see how we put the fourth LED on the circuit. From the third LED, from the previous project, when we put the third LED on the circuit, we realized that we needed to put it in the middle layer, right? So now for the fourth LED, we repeat that logic that we need to put it on the middle layer. But then here's the case where now all the GND pins have been taken, because there are only 3 pins on the Arduino Uno. There are only 3 GND pins on the Arduino Uno, right? So you see how we go about that. So let's start working. Okay, so obviously you need our LED and two additional jumper wires for the connections, right? So let's fix this here right now. And the negative one is facing us, so okay. So now let's start with the negative, right? Like before we starting with the positive, so let's start with the negative. So I'm putting it right beside the negative. Nice. Okay, so right now all the GNDs have been taken, right? Let's see if we can get the GNDs in the picture. As you can see, all the GNDs have been taken. There's only 1 at our right and 2 at our left, and they've all been taken. So when something like this happens, we are supposed to connect it to the negative terminal on the existing breadboard. So negative terminal is marked with blue, so just put it somewhere here if you can see. Okay, so we are done with the negative connection. So now let's focus on the positive. Right now we've used digital pin 8, 9 and 10. So let's focus on digital pin 11 now. Okay, so first let's connect it. Sorry, let's see if I can get. Okay, so let's put it with digital pin 11. Okay, you've seen 11. Now let's try and fix it at 11. Okay. Let's remove the GND first so that it will be easier for us. put it back. Let's focus on putting. Okay, we've done that now. Let's fix the GND back. Okay, so right now we are done with the connections, right? So now let's focus on the code. So I copied and pasted the code from the previous projects. So okay, as you can see, this is the red, yellow, green. So now I'm going to connect it. Connect. As you can see, this is the project we did in the previous video. Now we are going to do the same for the blue. Okay. So I think from this point we already know how to turn it on and off, right? But for the sake of testing, we are going to make it turn on to see if our connections actually added up. Remember, digital pin 11, right? Now we are going to the loop function. Okay, so delete. Okay, so now let's verify. Okay, now let's test it. Okay, so right now I think okay, it has come on now. I think it delayed a bit, but it finally came on. So right now we know that our connections, we did our connection with our jumper wire connections well. So now we already know how to turn it off, right? But again, for the sake of testing, we are going to, so remember, make this a temporary comment. Enter digital right. No. Okay, so we are going to verify. We are going to, let's see them. Okay, now it works. So now we are going to make it blink. Okay, so for the blinking, what do we add? The delay function, as usual. let's close the space. Okay, now let's upload it. Verifying done. Now we are uploading it. Okay, hey, it's working now. So what did you learn from? We learned that when the GND pins are finished on the Arduino Uno, we connect it to the negative terminal on the breadboard. Thank you for watching today. Now for the next video, we are going to see how we fix a fifth pin on the breadboard. So we are going to add the fifth pin to our circuit. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.